Luka Doncic, born February 28, 1999, is a Slovenian professional basketball player for the Los Angeles Lakers of the National Basketball Association (NBA). Since his rookie season, he has been selected to 5 NBA All-Star games and 5 All-NBA first-team selections. He also represents the Slovenian national team and is widely regarded as one of the greatest European players of all time, and is nicknamed Luka Magic. Doncic was a youth player for Union Olimpija before joining the Youth Academy of Real Madrid. In 2015, he made his debut for the Academy's senior team at age 16, becoming the youngest in club history. He made his senior debut for Slovenia in 2016 at only 17 years of age. He later helped his country win its first Eurobasket title. In 2017, while also being named to the All-Tournament team, Doncic led Madrid to the 2018 EuroLeague title, winning the EuroLeague MVP and the final for MVP. He was named the ACB Most Valuable Player and won back-to-back EuroLeague Rising Star and ACB Best Young Player awards. Doncic was also selected to the EuroLeague 2010-20 All-Decade team. In 2018, Doncic declared for the NBA draft, where he was drafted 3rd overall by the Atlanta Hawks and then traded to the Dallas Mavericks. Doncic was unanimously selected to the NBA All-Rookie First Team and won Rookie of the Year for the 2018-19 season. He led the NBA in scoring during the 2023-24 season, becoming the first European to lead the NBA in scoring and second international player to achieve the feat. That season, he led the Mavericks to their 3rd NBA Finals appearance. Doncic is also the Mavericks franchise leader in career triple-doubles and holds the record for most points in a Mavericks season. Doncic was traded to the Los Angeles Lakers in the middle of the 2024-25 season in a controversial blockbuster trade that is regarded as one of the most shocking and unexpected trades in American sports history. Doncic has frequently been described as a positionless guard with attributes of a point guard, shooting guard, and small forward. Standing 6 feet 6 inches and weighing 130 pounds, he has been praised for his exceptional size and strength for the guard position. Since his early years with Real Madrid, Doncic was tabbed as one of Europe's premier talents, with Spanish newspaper Marca giving him the nickname El Niño Maravilla or He Wonderboy, entering the 2018 NBA draft. Doncic was widely seen as one of the best and most accomplished European prospects of his generation. Slam magazine considered Doncic the best international prospect ever, and sports website SB Nation called him most accomplished NBA prospect in decades. In July 2023, Doncic got engaged to his longtime girlfriend Ana Maria Goltz. On December 1, 2023, their daughter was born. Doncic can speak 4 languages: Slovenian, Serbian, English, and Spanish. He learned Spanish after joining Real Madrid. In 2017, while playing at Real Madrid, Doncic signed a 2-year deal with Nike. In December 2019, it was announced that he had signed a multi-year endorsement deal with Air Jordan, including a signature shoe, the Jordan Luka one. On July 14, 2021, it was announced that Doncic would be the cover athlete for NBA 2K22, the 23rd installment in the NBA 2K video game series. In 2023, he inked a 6-year deal with Jordan, solidifying the continuation of his Jordan Luka line. Doncic's 2018-19 Panini National Treasures basketball card sold for $4.6 million in 2021. Sports journalist Mina Kimes profiled Doncic in April 2018, writing that he is a gamer and enjoys playing video game franchises such as Call of Duty, FIFA, and Overwatch. Doncic's skill in the latter has been particularly noted, having reached the grandmother tier in competitive play in March 2023, and later becoming a top 500 player in the tank role in Overwatch 2. In 2018, he was noted as playing Genji and Hanzo 374, and as a tank player, Doncic plays as Zarya. Doncic signed a 3-year, $165 million deal with a player option in 2028 on Saturday. His agent Bill Duffy confirmed to The Times in 2028 he would be eligible for a 5-year extension worth more than $360 million. "We have what we need to compete for the championship," Doncic said. "I'll try to win every game no matter what, and we got some new great guys on the team, so you know we're going to go for it." San Antonio Spurs coach Greg Popovich called Doncic's playing style Magic Johnson-like because he sees the floor in that same way. Head coach Rick Carlisle compared Doncic's playmaking and court vision to Larry Bird and Jason Kidd. Milwaukee Bucks forward Giannis Antetokounmpo called Doncic one of the most talented guys I've ever played against. Former basketball player and Dallas Mavericks head coach Jason Kidd stated about Doncic that he's better than Dirk Nowitzki and that he's in the atmosphere of Michael Jordan, the best to ever do it, LeBron James, and Kobe Bryant. Welcome to the exciting world of 1000 Vlogs.